What's up, everybody? I went to my local hobby town today and decided to pick up something a little different other than a crawler today. I got plenty of crawlers right now, so I figured I would try something a little different. So, oh, and I'm getting ready to start a F-150 high trail build, so that'll be coming up here soon. But anyway, yeah, I decided to get the Losi Micro B. It's a 1/24 scale. So I'm going to be unboxing this thing and checking it out. So let's open it up. I know these things come ready to run. Comes with battery, charger. You just plug it into a USB. What else? Battery, charger, remote, obviously. And let's see, I think that's all you really need for it. So yeah, it's ready to go right out of the box. I've been eyeballing these things for about a month, and I was debating on getting this or another crawler, another 1/18 crawler. Whoa, well, there's all our stuff underneath. I'll go ahead and cut it out real quick though. So I was looking at the crawlers, and I couldn't really decide which one I'd want. Now I went over there and started looking at these, and then I decided to get this. I was like, I'll just do something a little new or different. Alright. These things are so tiny, but they are sweet. Pretty sweet looking. They are small. Fits in my whole hand. Got rubber wheels on them. I think they make foams. Like I said, I don't know anything about these buggies or anything. Suspension feels good on them. Nice and smooth. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll set that there. Here's our remote. Your steering adjust. I think that's it. It's got a few adjustments on it. That's a Spectrum remote. Feels kind of cheap, but it'll be alright. As long as it works. And here's our charger and battery. So yeah, your USB plug in, and let's see, that's our battery. Yeah, so you'll plug that in. I'll figure out how to take the top off this thing here in a second. And then we'll check that out. And then it actually comes with your 4 AA's for your remote, so that's nice. Got a wrench and a couple Allen wrenches. And then you got some losi stickers and your instruction manual. Alright, I'll set that over there. Let's see. I have already looked up upgrade parts for these. And like my crawlers, I'll probably be getting mostly Injora stuff, because Injora has everything for these little guys. But Losi obviously makes some stuff for them. There's some other companies too that make stuff. I haven't done too much research on them yet. Let's see. See if I can figure out how to get the top off here. And it looks like it's Velcroed. Looks like it's Velcroed, so that's pretty simple. And then you just slide the nose out. That nose part here, it just slides under your shock towers. Then that holds that up. Okay, so there's our body. There's a little piece of Velcro that sticks to. That's pretty nifty. Alright. We got our motor. I thought the motors for my 1/18 crawlers were small. That thing is really small. These are brushed motors. I'm pretty sure Losi makes a brushless kit you can get for these. But I think that the box said these things run like 13 miles an hour, so that's pretty quick for these little guys. So I don't know if you need a brushless system. And this is where we plug our battery. Right for that. I can't remember. I don't know if this is the XT30 connection, I believe. I could be wrong. I'm not sure. But I think that's what it is. Alright, so we got that. And I'm not real sure where the battery sits. Does it have a battery in it? No, that ain't a battery. What is this? Is the battery already in there? Okay. This is part of your charger. Okay, so the battery just stays in there, I guess. But there is, yeah, if you undo these two screws, it looks like, up front, this has got a hinge on the back, and that lifts up, and then you take your battery out. So, okay, but I guess you just, yeah. I didn't know that was part of the charger. I thought it was a battery for some reason. So, okay. So, yep, so you just plug her in and let her charge. They say on the box 20 minutes of runtime. So that's pretty cool. So where do we hook up on here? Might be already hooked in. Yeah, it is. Okay. This thing's got me all confused. All confused. Okay, there's our power button. Right there. Do the shocks again. Shocks are real smooth. Alright. Your spoiler's clear. I know there's a few companies make carbon fiber ones. They make all kinds of carbon fiber parts for these things. So, alright. I can't believe I thought that was a battery. Alright. So, there ain't much to them, guys. Not much to them. They are pretty cool, though. But I'll have to get the batteries in the remote and test it out. It should be already charged, I think. But we'll see. So, alright, guys. Let me put that back on. There. Slide her nose under. There we go. Hung up on something. Alright. There it is. It's a pretty cool little buggy. So yeah, I'll have some videos of when I get parts for it and everything, putting them on and all that stuff, so we'll go through all that. And let's see here. So, and then I'll have some videos of it running and all that stuff. So, yeah, these things are pretty cool. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that's it. Here's battery charger. So, yeah, I'll get this thing, batteries in the charger, and we'll test it out. Alright, guys. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.